As Salamu Alaikum, history lovers. Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind journey through Mauritania, where ancient trade, mighty empires, and modern challenges meet at the edge of the Sahara. Let's hit the timeline and get started. First up, Mauritania's ancient roots. For thousands of years, this land has been home to Berber-speaking peoples like the Sanhaja and Imraguen. By the 3rd century, Mauritania was buzzing with trans-Saharan trade. Imagine caravans hauling salt, gold, and yes, even enslaved people across endless dunes. These routes weren't just about goods, they were highways for ideas too. Islam rode in with the traders, and by the 11th century, it was deeply woven into local life. Now let's talk empires. The 11th century saw the rise of the Almoravid movement, right here in Mauritania. These were serious reformers, Islamic scholars who built an empire stretching from the Sahara to Spain. Their strict brand of Islam shaped the region, leaving a legacy that endures today. Over the next centuries, Mauritania saw a mix of Islamic emirates and tribal confederations, all fiercely proud of their nomadic and Berber roots. But the winds of change blew in from Europe. In the late 19th century, France set its sights on Mauritania, and resistance was fierce. Leaders like Ma Al-Ainain fought hard, but by 1920, France imposed colonial rule. Schools, borders, new laws, these reshaped daily life but also disrupted centuries-old traditions. Independence finally came in 1960 with Mokhtar Ould-Daddah as the first president. But freedom brought tough challenges: droughts, economic hardship, and deep ethnic tensions between Arab Berber Moors and Black African communities. The late 20th century, a roller coaster of coups and unrest. And let's not forget the shadow of slavery, officially abolished, yet still a painful issue even today. So where does Mauritania stand now? It's a Muslim-majority republic, striving to balance tradition with reform. In recent years, we've seen peaceful power transfers, anti-slavery laws, and more attention to human rights. But challenges remain, from poverty and climate change to questions of national identity. Mauritania's unique blend of Arab, Berber, and African influences, set against stunning desert landscapes and deep Islamic roots, gives it a powerful voice in the Sahel. And there you have it, Mauritania's story in 3 minutes. From ancient trade routes and Islamic empires to colonialism and modern reform, it's a history of survival and transformation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more lightning-fast history. Shukran, and until next time, stay curious. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Mauritania. I'll see you in the next episode of History in 3 minutes.